Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year to all my friends in YouTube and my friends that subscribe to my channel. Today I want to show you one special soup called Banga soup. Banga soup will have different way of cooking it. I want to show you one way today to cook Banga soup. So guys can see all the item here. See the Banga fruit is here, and this is Saint for garnish, and this one is, you can see, stockfish, dry fish, kanda, cow meat, that is beef, and this pepper, crayfish, stock cube, and salt. So I'll first of all wash the Banga fruit and put it in the fire to done very well before I'll begin to prepare it. So I'll wash it and put it in the pot to cook like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll pound it. So it's the stock that I will use to cook the soup. So keep washing. So guys, you can see, you make sure you wash it very well because of the sand. So guys, let me put light. You light your gas. So I'll leave it to like 15 to 20 minutes so that the Banga seed will done very well. I'll show you the next step. So guys, let's check the Banga seed. It's done. Wow, it's done. I'll now up the light and pound it. So guys can see the mortar. I'll use pound the Banga. I've already washed the mortar. I'll now pour the Banga for the mortar. I'll pound it very well. I'll show you another one again. So guys, you can see how I pound the Banga fruit. I'll pack it for the mortar now and sieve it. So guys can see it. Already pack it for the mortar. I'll add water to wash and sieve. It's the stock that I'll use to cook the soup. You do it like this. Then you pour it in the sieve inside the pot. I'll pour it in the sieve now. You filter it because of the chaff. You do it, don't allow the chaff to enter inside the stock again. If the chaff enter inside the stock, if you are eating it, you won't enjoy it. See it now. I see the stock. I see the stock. So it's time now to put all the ingredients like this: kanda, stockfish, dry fish, and cow meat. I'll pour it inside. See the pepper? I'll pour the pepper inside. This is the crayfish. I'll pour the crayfish. I'll now add a little salt, and this is Maggi seasoning. That is stock cube. So I'll put the stock cube. I'll put the stock cube. Then I'll cover it and put it in the fire. The scent leaf will be the last item to enter. It's for garnishing. So the banga soup, just as I say, that they have different way of prepare it. This way that I'm preparing now, you see, have two things that are supposed to add. You get one black seed that are supposed to add. When you buy the black seed, you fry it and blend it and add it again. Then there's one stick again that you put inside it again. So but all those two is not here, but it doesn't mean that I will not prepare my banga soup. So the many items that I use for it, the soup will come out very fine and very delicious. So keep watching. I will put it on fire for about 20 to 25 minutes to allow the ingredients to done very well. Keep watching. So guys, let's check the soup. Wow. So guys can see it. You know, before I put it in the fire, it's very watery. Then the more you leave it in the fire to done, to thick. See, it's done now. So it's time for me now to put the garnishing, that scent leaf. But before you put it, please make sure you wash it very well, because scent leaf have a lot of sand. So I've already washed it and cut it. So I'll put it for garnishing now. The soup, you can use it for anything. You can use it for swallow, you can use it for white rice, even boiled yam, anything. But I'll use it and eat white rice because I prefer use it for white rice than swallow. So immediately you put the leaf, you off the light. So I'll dish now and take it my white rice. Wow, yummy, very delicious. See? So guys can see, I'll use it for white rice. But if you like, you can use fufu, that is swallow, to use it. But me, I'll use it for white rice. If you use it for white rice, you enjoy it more. Me, I prefer white rice. Wow. Can't wait to test this food. Very yummy. So it's just a simple soup. So that is all for banga soup. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you guys to help me subscribe and comment on it and share it to your loved one. Please, I need your help. I need more subscribe. Please. I know you guys have been trying for me, but I still need more. Please. So we meet again. I love you all. Bye.